Upasana Foundation. We formed Upasana Foundation, a public charity non-profit organization, in 2012. We will be engaging in music, fields of music, visual arts, performing arts, theatre arts, fine arts, and literature to promote cultural exchange through educational, religious, and literary activities. We will produce, document, and collect materials to encourage and promote research in these fields. Also, we will provide charitable assistance to artists, supporting artists, administrators involved in these fields. Our focus is on promoting and nurturing traditional art forms, which have been a great carrier of our culture and traditions over various generations. Sustaining and promoting these traditional art forms is a great challenge as we adopt a modern, fast-paced lifestyle and influences from various other cultures. Oftentimes, you find people proudly acknowledging that a particular art form is from their own land. But when it comes to actually financing or doing something to sustain, they do very little. As finances dwindle, the life gets tough for these artists and they have to pick up other professions to support their livelihood. In the process, these art forms lose their quality and slowly become extinct. All of you who have come here today have made an effort to sustain these art forms, and we really appreciate your encouragement. There is more we can do to artists like Sri Kalamandalam Shanmugadas and Sri Kalamandalam Sukumaran, who have dedicated their lives in mastering and perfecting their acts. It is only because of artists like them that we are able to watch these living traditions, and we are fortunate to have them with us today. One special guest we have today with us is Sri V. Kaladharan, who is not only a great enthusiast of traditional art forms, but also a knowledge hub of Kerala traditional art forms. Sri Kaladharan has been associated with Kathakali and similar performing arts as a writer, connoisseur, commentator, and coordinator. He has published hundreds of articles on Kerala's performing arts and has presented umpteen papers on history, aesthetics, and cultural undertones of traditional arts in various national and international symposiums. Most foreign artists and researchers who go to Kerala are very familiar with him as he has guided them and has shared his vast knowledge. He is the initiator of this US tour with Sri Kalamandalam Shanmugadas and Sri Kalamandalam Sukumaran. The purpose of their tour is to disseminate knowledge on the form and content of Kathakali to the younger generation of artists, students of dance, music, and theatre, and to all those who have a definite inclination towards Indian performing arts and culture. They have visited various universities in the US and conducted lecture demonstrations in Kathakali. I welcome Sri Kaladharan to come on stage to accept a token of appreciation from our President, Sri Suresh Vasudeva Kaimal.